My friend Sophie and I are experimenting to see who our mutual friend Meredith likes better. We decided to text her and see who she responded to first. Sophie and I are on the train cart. I'm sitting in the front of the cart, and Sophie's sitting in the back. In the middle of the cart, there's a light bulb. Then, the train starts to move at a constant velocity. To ensure that we send the text at the same time, Sophie and I agreed that when we see the light bulb flash, we instantaneously send the text to Meredith on the platform. From Sophie and I's frame of reference, the distance between us and the light bulb is equal. Using time is equal to distance over speed of light, we can conclude that the time we see the light flash is also equal. Therefore, we both assume that we send the text to Meredith at the same time. Meredith responds to Sophie first, and I couldn't believe it. However, Meredith argues with us, claiming that she didn't get the text at the same time. Was it just bad signal? Einstein's postulate of relativity shows that the speed of light is constant in all perspectives. Thus, Meredith will see the light traveling at the same speed that me and Sophie do. So to figure out at what time Meredith gets the text, we should look at the distance the light has to travel to the back of the cart and to the front of the cart. From the time the light initially shines to the time the light hits the back of the train cart has moved some distance forward. This means that the light hitting the back of the train cart travels less than half the cart's length. From the time the light initially shines to the time the light hits the front of the train has moved some distance forward. This means that the light hitting the front of the train cart travels more than half the cart's distance and is greater than the distance the light travels to the back of the train. Using time is equal to distance over speed of light, Meredith will perceive the light hitting me at a later time. Therefore, I will send the text at a later time. Thankfully, Meredith doesn't actually like Sophie better than me. So if you want to send a message to someone at the same time, don't do it on a moving train. Or a train in New York City. We don't have service here anyways.